Today, we're comparing WPS Office versus Adobe Acrobat to answer one simple question: which one is better? Adobe Acrobat is the industry standard for PDFs. It's built specifically for creating, editing, signing, securing, and managing PDF files at a professional level. If you work with contracts, legal documents, scanned files, or advanced PDF editing like OCR and form creation, Adobe Acrobat is extremely reliable. Everything works smoothly, but the downside is the price. It's subscription based and can feel expensive for casual users who need only basic PDF edits. WPS Office, on the other hand, is a lighter, more affordable all-in-one Office suite. It handles PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, and presentations in one app. For PDFs, WPS lets you view, annotate, convert, and do basic edits without much effort. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and the free version is usable, though it includes ads and limits some features. However, when it comes to advanced PDF tools like professional OCR accuracy or deep security controls, it doesn't fully match Adobe Acrobat. So which one is better? If your main focus is professional PDF work, document security, and precision, Adobe Acrobat is the better choice. If you want a budget-friendly tool for everyday documents and simple PDF editing, WPS Office is more practical. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.